Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you had to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for leaving all your good comments and everything. Today, I'll be doing something different in this Power XL. You can do it on the stove or you can do it in the Power XL. What I'm thinking to do today, I'm pretty sure a lot of people know how to do this, but I'm doing this for the young people too, so they get an idea of it. I'm doing it for my college subscribers that's looking at my YouTube channel and everything. It's getting cold outside, people getting colds and everything, and they wonder how to shake that cold off, how to get rid of that cough. You coughing and you can't stop coughing. I'm gonna tell you, I use this for my family when they coughing. If I see them getting sick or if I hear them coughing, first thing I do, I go in the kitchen and I start making up some lemon, ginger, honey tea. Today my ingredient is gonna be 4 cups of water. When I use these 4 cups of water, just think I'm making 4 cups of tea. If it's just 2 of you, you can make less. You can put whatever you want in your tea, but Mr. Belle, this is Mr. Belle ingredients right here, what I'm using. I'm using 4 cups of water. I'm gonna eyeball some of this honey. You can use any kind of honey you wanna use. And I'm gonna be using 2 lemons. I'm gonna roll them, squeeze them, slice them up, ball them up, and I'm gonna be using some of this ginger right here. I'm just gonna be using about this much off of this ginger right here. So as you see, I'm gonna peel it and everything. I'm gonna smash it. I'm gonna put it in there and just let it boil all together so all this can be nice and good, have the house smelling good. So it could just open up your whole inside and stop you from coughing and everything. And Mr. Belle have a lot of videos out there. That's all you had to do. Go down that list and see whatever you want to cook. You'll find it on Mr. Belle list. So today, that's what I'm going to be doing today in the Power XL. For all my first time viewers, you wonder how this top come off and everything, trying to get it off, don't know how to get it off. That's all you have to do is lift it up. 1, 2, and off it go. I won't be using this today, so that's why I'm taking it off. And I'm going to set this to the side. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to set this on simmer. Set it on simmer right here. It's on simmer, and I'm gonna press the temperature. I'm gonna set the temperature. Today I'm gonna set this temperature for 210. 210, and I'm gonna go to set my minutes. I'm gonna set this minutes, press it for minutes. And as you know, I'm gonna set it for 25 minutes. Might not use all that 25 minutes. I'm gonna press start. And as you know, when you're on simmer and different things, it's gonna be circulating, it's gonna get hot. So you're not going to use whatever you put in, all of it. It depends what you set it on and everything. So this right here is going to be circulating for a while. So this water going to be getting nice, good and hot. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour these 4 cups of water in here like this. I got it up to the top. So I'm just going to put it in there like that. And I'm going to just pour that in there. And right now, this 4 cups is going to be like 8 cups of tea if you're using the small cups, you know. So, and you drink two cups of that, 1 in the morning, 1 at night, you'll be feeling real good. The next day, your body be feeling good and great. You'll be ready to go to work. You'll be ready to go to school. You'll be ready to do what you want to do through your day. So I'm going to let that boil up a little bit, and I'm going to move this camera over some so you can see how it's boiling up. But first, we're going to chop this up together. You know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. I'm going to move this out the way and get my chopping board and peel this and squeeze these lemons and everything. We're going to be doing this together step by step. Okay, as you see, the water is steaming, still circulating. This water is boiling. So I'm cutting this ginger up just like this. Put this peeling to the side. And you can cut it up any kind of way you want, but Mr. Belle is gonna do it just like this. Just slice it up like this, and like this. And just slice that up just like that. You can cut it any way you want to, how many pieces, how big you want it, and everything. I'm not gonna put it too big, but I'm just cutting it just like this. Cut it like that. Just slice it like that so that water can just boil it nice and good. Like that. Take it and cut it just like that. And this right here is gonna be a nice, good, delicious tea. This right here, if you try this, you see the difference what I'm talking about. So I think I'll just share this. Since we do this a lot in the house, I'm gonna set this to the side and I'm gonna just start putting some of it in. As you see, I got it cut up in pieces. I'm gonna just hit it just like this and smash it, put it in. You wanna smash it too, so that way when it's boiling, it'll cook all through it, get it nice and good. Just like that. You have your whole house smelling good. Put it in there. After it's in the water, I will be smashing it a little bit more so that scent, so the juice and everything will be right in there. Just smash that up like that. Cut it up just like that. I'm gonna cut a little bit more. And just peel this off just like that. You'll be trying this all the time once you try this. Just like that. And I'm just gonna smash it. Smash it like that. Take this one, smash it. Smash it, set that to the side. Then I'm just gonna take this lemon. I've already softened it up some. So I'm just gonna take your lemon and you just cut it just like this. I'm gonna cut it like that. Now I'm gonna just take and squeeze it. As you see the juice of it? Just get in there nice and good. Squeeze it. What I do after I squeeze the lemons in there, as you see, it's a nice good lemon. Just comes out just like that. Let all that cook together. So what I do, I just take it and slice it like this, get some of that inside of the lemon in there too. I'm gonna cut it just like this. You want to cut it just like this. Get the inside of it. So all this could just boil up together. Just like that. This right here is gonna be delicious. Nice tea, just like this. Cut it up, take the inside out, just pull it. And also I use some of the peeling because all the vitamins, a lot of vitamins be in the peeling too. So I just take this just like this, just cut it. Like that. So that way, cut it in pieces. And you just want to put all that in there. Just let all that boil together. Just like that. That way everything's boiling together. Put it in just like that. Like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take this honey. I want everything just to be boiled together so it can be nice and good. I'm gonna just put it in just like that. Oh yes. Just squeeze that honey in there. You can use whatever kind of honey you want to use. Put it in there like that. Yes. Just like that. And I'm going to cut this other lemon up and put it in there. Right now, I'm going to let this cook right here. But while this is cooking and everything, boiling and everything, while this is cooking, wash your dishes as it's boiling. Don't leave your dishes for your spouse. Don't leave it for your kids. Don't leave it for your friend. Don't leave it for your roommate. They might want to try it. Nah, I don't want to try it. Wondering who's going to wash the dishes. Wash the dishes as you go. That way everyone can be happy. I'm going to move this camera right over here so you can see it, get a good close look at it. You know Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. Okay, and I'm just going to take this other one that I cut in half and just let that just go in just like that. Just squeeze all that nice and good lemon in there. Just like that. Squeeze it in there. Be nice and good. This right here is healthy for you. Just like this. You can do this on the stove or in a Power XL. I'm just doing it in the Power XL. People like to cook in the Power XL like me and different things. I like trying different things in the Power XL. Just like that. Let that cook like that. And I'm just gonna get my smasher. And I'm just take it and I just smash it. Just like that sometimes. Just smash it. This is my first time doing it in the Power XL. Usually I do it on the stove. But today, I want to share it. So I'm doing it in the Power XL. Just smash all this up together. Just like that. This right here is just the right kind of weather for this too. So I'm going to let this boil a little bit more. You can see the steam is coming up. Actually, this is hot. I haven't even got to the 25 minutes yet because it's still circulating. When you're on ceremony and you're making a juice, any kind of juice, making a soup or anything, you can less the minutes because the circulation of it's gonna get it hot real quick and boiling things before the thing beat. Just like that, and just smash it. And this is nice and hot. This is good. Like I said, I just put it on 25 minutes. It's not even gonna get to the 25 minutes. Just like that. Let that cook. Like that. Let's squeeze a little more lemon in there. So this is done. This is your lemon ginger honey tea. I'm going to take this out and pour it into something so you get an idea of how it looks. I'm going to get my things and pour it out. I'll be right back. This right here is your lemon ginger honey tea. So I'm going to try a little bit of it and see how it come out and everything. In the Power XL, as you see, the lemon and the ginger is falling into it and everything. But this right here are your ingredients, what you're gonna use: honey, lemon, and ginger. And it depends on how much you're cooking. You're gonna add 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3. Depends on how much you're making. And the ginger, you can eyeball that too, also with the honey. So we're gonna try this out. As you see, the steam is still coming out of, but I'm gonna try it while I'm here and see how it tastes. This right here opened up all the congestion too. This is delicious. We'll be drinking this today. It's cold outside, it's raining. Kids gonna be probably coming home sniffing, want something nice, good and hot. Oh yes. That is good. That is Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. Leave a comment in the box if you like it anyway. Let me know you like it. Also, if you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you subscribe to Mrbelle'skitchen. Thank you. Hope I've been a good help to you. I know this is an easy recipe. A lot of you already know how to do it and know it's great. Tell someone about it.